Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. With the new year, I've decided that it's the perfect time to organize some things around the house. So I made a trip to Dollar Tree and I got some goodies. Surprisingly enough, it looks like Dollar Tree had the same thought process as I did because they had all of their like organizer stuff like towards the front of the store, and normally that's where they put like their seasonal stuff. So I was like, they're thinking the same way I am. If you're anything like me, you're not trying to spend $50 just to organize your spice cabinet. You just want it to be organized enough so that you don't have to empty out the entire cabinet just to find the salt in the back. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use all the stuff I got from Dollar Tree to organize those parts of my house that I feel like need a little help, you know, some TLC.
Speaking of spice cabinets, that's where we're going to start our organizing. As you can see, my spice cabinet is kind of a mess. I started by clearing off the shelf that holds all the spices. Then I separated them into groups by how often we use them. I found these little baskets in the kitchen aisle. I wasn't sure how many spices they were going to be able to fit, but I was able to get quite a few in each little basket. Then back into the cupboard they go. Something you might not think about when you're organizing is a place to put your paper towels, but if you were to buy these, they're like 10 bucks on Amazon. Dollar Tree for the win on this one. I found this soap dish and right away I thought it would be the perfect place to keep my sponge that I use for dishwashing. I'm a firm believer that everything needs a home, and just little differences like a place to keep my paper towels and a sponge makes me feel a lot more organized in the kitchen. Moving on to my bathroom. Underneath the sink needed a little bit of help. This is our second bathroom, so this is where we keep all of our extra towels and cleaning supplies and any extra like beauty products or samples or anything that I got. Again, I started by cleaning everything out. I found this little shower caddy and right away I thought this would be the perfect place to keep my cleaning supplies because I can pick it up and take it with me around the house wherever I gotta go. Next, from this very flattering camera angle, I'm going to show you the special way, I don't even know if it's special, but I think it's special. Special way that I fold towels so that they are a little bit more compact. Maybe this is how everyone folds their towels, but to me, it's special, okay? There. See how small? I found these little fabric storage bins and they are perfect for storing the towels. Now I'm just putting everything back into the cupboard. So much cleaner. This part was really satisfying for me. Here's a little overview of what the bathroom countertop looks like in our second bathroom. I like to keep little mini toiletries on the counter because when we have guests over, I think that's just a nice little touch for them. I thought these little jars would be the perfect additions to our countertop. In the smaller jar, I put some cotton swabs in there. And in the bigger jar, I just put some cotton balls in there because that's something you don't think about to take with you when you're traveling usually. I know I don't. See how cute little additions those are? Another idea I had for these jars is to put bath salts in them because if you're like me, you want a cute place to keep your bath stuff, and obviously a jar is way cuter than the bag. Here's a fun one if you're low on floor space like we are in our closet, because my shoes take up most of the space. So I thought it would be a fun idea to put the hooks on the lower part of the closet so Andrew has a place to not only put his shoes on the floor but also hang them up. I don't know, we'll see how practical this one ends up being.
I hope you found some of these Dollar Tree organization hacks helpful, or they at least inspired you to get organized this January. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, okay? Okay. Bye!